In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audio tracks in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted background music plus a voiceover, or two songs in one project, Adobe Express has a simple workflow that uses a quick external merge so everything plays back smoothly. Start by opening your project and looking to the left side of the screen. Click Music in the left panel. This is where Adobe Express manages sound for your project. Choose Upload and select your first audio track. This might be your voiceover or the primary song you want to use. Once it's added, scrub through your timeline to make sure it plays where you expect. If needed, you can reposition it on the timeline so it lines up with your visuals. To layer a second track, you'll combine it with the first one using an external audio editor such as Audacity, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any tool you prefer. Open that editor and import both your first track and your second track. Place them on separate audio lanes so you can see and hear how they overlap. Adjust their timing so the second track starts exactly where you want it, perhaps after an intro, beneath a transition, or under a specific scene. Balance the volume so one doesn't overpower the other. Aim to keep overall levels from clipping by leaving a little headroom. If needed, add short fades at the beginning or end of each track to avoid abrupt cuts. When it sounds right, export a single combined audio file, such as MP3 or WAV, at a consistent sample rate for best quality. Return to Adobe Express and upload this combined audio to your project. You can do that from the same music panel using Upload. Now you have a single file that contains both tracks, perfectly aligned. If your earlier single track is still present, lower its volume or mute it so you're only hearing the merged file. Drag the merged audio to the correct start point on the timeline and fine-tune the volume so it complements your visuals. Play through your project from start to finish and listen for any spots that are too loud or too quiet. If something feels off, adjust volume levels here, or hop back into your audio editor to rebalance and re-export. When everything sounds clear and consistent, preview the full video and then export from Adobe Express. That's it. You've effectively added multiple audio tracks by merging them externally and bringing them back into your project for a polished, professional result.